this one is a knocker. Step in on the dance and I just my dance. Everything scatter. Right?
What's up guys, it's your boy John. We're back again here with another video. Today we have an internal look at the SEMA booth of Dasaita, and I just want to go over the technology that they're employing today in the brand new head units that's coming forward for the 2024 head units. So just moving up, hopefully there's really loud music here, so hopefully I can just break it down for you guys and you guys can hear me clearly. So this is the internal of a Dasaita unit. Now this is where big differences on brand to brand, and I'm just gonna go over what they use. So right here is gonna be the Bluetooth chip. They use the Qualcomm Bluetooth chip, so you get better Bluetooth connectivity. Radio chip is, they say it's the best. I can't tell you that for a fact, but radio is radio. Here is gonna be your GPS antenna on the back of there, and you're like, okay, sometimes it's a screw type, but this one, some car manufacturers like Nissan actually uses the same port, making it a direct plug-in, making it just a little bit easier, and you can utilize your stock OEM antenna in some cases. Sometimes it doesn't. Here we have a Qualcomm. This is like the brains of the operation right here. Qualcomm 665 processor, and what's really nice about this one is it's so efficient. It doesn't need a heat sink. The heat spreader alone is good enough to power it, and it's that efficient. Followed by, we have an optical out right here, or optical in and out. It's an optical port regardless, and it goes into this DSP. So this is the DSP of the, making that audio, digital, analog, looking good. Digital signal processor gives it that nice oomph. Followed by here, we have HDMI, and HDMI goes out to just, HDMI out. So there you have it right there. So you have the HDMI, and then you have the Qualcomm. It's a really nice unit. The last thing I want to talk about is how I said, what are you guys are doing different besides having like different parts and laying out your own way? They said that this year, they're trying to roll out, this used to be one 60 pin, but the lanes were too small, causing sometimes, not frequently, but just sometimes the screen would not have the sharpest quality, or when it's wiggling a little bit, it doesn't have the best contact point. So what they did here is they had two different 30 lanes of pins. So it's a 60 pin together, but it used to be a 60 pin in one line, which would cause, it just was too narrow for the traces to get that good contact. And sometimes when you're in the car and it's wiggling, it could cause some interference. This is the things that Dasaita does over the competition to keep that better signal integrity and just a better, have a better display. But yeah, that's wrapping up Dasaita's booth for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.